How to fix Messenger notification not working. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can fix Messenger's notification not working. So first step is make sure that you are connected to the internet. If you're not, you will not be receiving messages, so you will not be getting any notifications. So make sure that the network you're on is good and stable. Also, you can switch between your mobile data to make sure that you have good connection. After that, check if your phone is on Do Not Disturb mode. If it is, turn it off. You can also do that by going to your control center and finding the DND button. After you disable it, you should be getting notifications, but if you're not, that means that you might not have enabled your notifications. So locate your Messenger app, tap on it. After you're there, go to the menu option on the bottom right. And from here, head over to Settings. On your settings, find Notifications and Sounds. And from here, make sure that you have turned this on. So tap on the button here and enable notifications. So make sure that you have enabled the notifications and sounds for the ones that you want. You can toggle on all of the buttons right here as well. And doing that should fix your problem. If not, try to clear out your cache. So you can locate your Messenger app, long press on it, then tap on App Info. After that, head over to Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. Doing that should fix your problem for you. If none of these work, just uninstall the app and then reinstall it. And that's the basic fixes for it. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.